friends, I'm super excited because I have a fun short sleeve hack here that I want to share with y'all. I absolutely love the Simple Life Patterns Rocky Top, but it only comes with long sleeve, and we live in the desert, and my kids just we can't live in long sleeves, but I want to use this pattern year round. And I thought, maybe I'm not the only one that has this problem. So I thought, let's go ahead and make a little tutorial for anybody else that might want to hack a pattern. So what you're going to need is I like to use Swedish tracing paper. I will link this in the description. It's really nice. It's sturdy. You can even sew it. It holds up really well. But what you'll need then is you'll need the sleeve piece from the pattern that you're making and a short sleeve piece from a pattern that you like the length of the sleeve from. And then you're going to go ahead and trace those out and cut those out with your Swedish tracing paper. And then lay your short sleeve piece so that your shoulder point, your arm sky point, matches up with your arm sky point of your long sleeve piece, your pattern piece. It's okay if the arm skies aren't the same. You just want to make sure that the point lines up, and then make sure then that you draw a line that's nice and straight across your long sleeve piece there. I like to kind of measure the sides to make sure that they're the same length, but yeah, and then you're just going to go ahead and cut it out. And once it's cut out, I like to just fold it in half again to make sure that my line was nice and straight and nothing was too wonky. And just like that, you've got a short sleeve pattern piece now for your pattern, your shirt. Go ahead and set that aside, and next all you need to do now is cut them out. So grab your fabric, and yeah, you're just going to go ahead and cut them out of your fabric just like you would the normal sleeve. Make sure that they're mirror image, of course, and you're all set to sew them onto your pattern. So yeah, this hack has opened up a huge possibility for all my favorite patterns that were sweaters that, we couldn't always use in the desert heat here, and I am just so excited now, and I hope that this was helpful for you and any patterns that you might have that you want to use year-round as well. So if you're looking on a tutorial for how to sew up the Simple Life Patterns Rocky, I have one here that I will link. Yeah, and I can't wait to see all your new patterns with short sleeves hacked onto them. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.